Barium sulfate is white color precipitate which is insoluble in water. Then what is byproduct? 2 moles of HCl. 2 moles of HCl. So already very well known, barium sulfate is insoluble in HCl. Not only sulfuric acid, you can take any one, calcium sulfate or magnesium sulfate or ammonium sulfate, whatever it may be. Reaction with barium chloride, formation of BaC. Now this reaction is very fast reaction or not? Already observed in the laboratory, within fraction of second the white precipitate is formed. So this reaction is, comes under the category of very fast reaction. Similarly, formation of AgCl, that is also precipitation reaction. Formation of AgCl means silver chloride. Formation of silver chloride. So chloride salt solution. Let us take one example: sodium chloride. Here chloride anion is there or not? So sodium chloride, aqueous sodium chloride combined with silver nitrate, aqueous. Then formation of precipitate silver chloride. Byproduct is the NaNO, which is soluble in water, aqueous. Sodium chloride is insoluble in water, solid, white color solid. So these two reactions, precipitation reactions, under the category of very fast reactions. Very fast reactions. Similarly, neutralization reactions are also comes under the category of very fast reaction. So what is the neutralization reaction? Acid combined with base to form salt and water. That reaction is known as neutralization reaction. So let us take one example: HCl plus NaOH, formation of NaCl and water. So that is also observed in chemical laboratory in the first year. Next, very fast reaction. Next, second category, moderate reactions. Second category, moderate reaction. So the chemical reactions occurs at moderate rate. At a moderate rate. So what is the example for this one? This type of reaction: ester hydrolysis. Ester hydrolysis. Generally, organic reactions are moderate reactions. That means the reaction takes place half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, like that. So that is a moderate reaction. If for very fast reactions, the reactions are completed within fraction of seconds. Just eyes closed చేసి ఓపెన్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకు రియాక్షన్ కంప్లీట్. దట్ మీన్స్ ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ ది రియాక్షన్ వీ కాంట్ డిటర్మైన్ ఫర్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్ రియాక్షన్. ఎందుకు మనకు వెరీ ఫాస్ట్గా కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. మోడరేట్ రియాక్షన్ మీన్స్ ద రియాక్షన్స్ ఆర్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ఇట్ టేక్ సమ్ అవర్స్. ఇట్ టేక్స్ మోడరేట్ రేట్. మోడరేట్. సో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్, ఎస్టర్ హైడ్రాలసిస్. ఎస్టర్ హైడ్రాలసిస్ జనరల్గా మనకు కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్స్ combined with alcohol in presence of acid catalyst, ఏ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? ఫిషర్ ఎస్టరిఫికేషన్. ఫిషర్ ఎస్టరిఫికేషన్. ఈ రియాక్షన్ రివర్సిబుల్ రియాక్షన్ అని కూడా ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాం. సో లాస్ ఆఫ్ OH ఫ్రమ్ కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్, లాస్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్కహాల్, then formation of ester. What is ester? RCOR plus H2. And now reversible reaction at ester undergo hydrolysis reaction to form carboxylic acid plus alcohol. So example, RCOOR dash combined with water in presence of acid catalyst. Now here cleavage of this bond, H. Then what are the products? Carboxylic acid plus alcohol. So this reaction comes under the category of moderate reaction. Next, third category, very slow reaction. Third category, very slow reaction. So based on the speed of the reaction, chemical reactions are classified into 3 types. What are those? Very fast reaction, moderate reaction, very slow reaction. Now what is very slow reaction? The reaction, chemical reactions are completed after long time. That means months years like that. Example for this type of reaction, rusting of iron. రస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఐరన్, మనకు రస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఐరన్ అనేది డేస్ తీసుకుంటుంది కదా, ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ డేస్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఫాస్ట్ రియాక్షన్, మోడరేట్ రియాక్షన్ ఆర్ స్లో రియాక్షన్. మోడరేట్ రియాక్షన్ అంటే 1 hour to 5 hours 6 hours లైక్ దట్, 24 hours అయినా నో ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ మనకు వీక్స్ అలా జరిగిందంటే ఏంటి, వెరీ స్లో రియాక్షన్. సో రస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఐరన్, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్ రస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఐరన్, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్ రస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్. So what is the rust formula? Fe2O3 XH2. So mechanism already explained. Iron surface acts as a anode, oxygen acts as a cathode, accepting the 2 electrons in presence of acid, then it is converted into water. So mechanism already explained. So here chemical kinetics explain only moderate reaction. The rate of reaction is applicable only for moderate reaction. Very fast reactions, very slow reactions is not applicable. Is not applicable. Next one, next concept. What is the rate of reaction? What is the rate of reaction? So how to define rate of reaction? It can be defined as decrease in the concentration of reactants or increase in the concentration of products per unit time is called rate of reaction. For example, let us take one example. A gives rise to B. It is a one hypothetical chemical reaction, right? Let us assume at t equal to 0 second. That means before chemical reaction. Here reactant A is present 1 gram. Product B is present 0 gram. Next t equal to 1 second. 0.9 gram. 0.1 gram. T equal to 2 seconds. 0.7 gram. 0.3 gram. Like that. So here what will happen? Decrease in the concentration of reactant per unit time. Per unit time at 1 second time difference. Here what is the time difference? 1 second. Here what is the time difference? 1 second. So decrease in the amount of reactant or not? So ఇక్కడ మనకు డెఫినేషన్ చెప్పినప్పుడు కాన్సంట్రేషన్ మోల్స్ పర్ లీటర్లు చెప్తాం. మోల్స్ పర్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఏదైతే ఇంక్రీజ్ ఇన్ ద కాన్సంట్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ పర్ యూనిట్ టైం ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ రియాక్షన్. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద డెఫినేషన్? It can be defined as decreasing in the concentration of reactant or increasing in concentration of products per unit time. That is called rate of reaction. So what is formula? Rate of reaction R equal to change in concentration by change in time. So change in concentration of reactant by change in time. Mathematical expression for rate of reaction for hypothetical equation same A equal to B, A gives rise to B. Here change in concentration, change అనేది ఎప్పుడు చెప్తాం మనం? డిఫరెంట్ చేంజ్ డెల్టా అని చెప్తాం, లేదంటే డిఫరెన్షియేషన్. సో మైనస్ d/dt ఆఫ్ E. Here what is A? Reaction. Here a negative sign indicates decrease in the concentration. మనకు కాన్సంట్రేషన్ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఈ నెగటివ్ సైన్ ఏమి ఇండికేట్ చేస్తుంది? The negative sign indicates decrease in the concentration of reactant is equal d/dt of positive sign here, concentration of product. So products అయితే పాజిటివ్ సైన్, రియాక్టెంట్స్ అయితే నెగటివ్ సైన్. ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ నెగటివ్ సైన్ ఇండికేట్ చేస్తున్నాం? డిక్రీజ్ ఇన్ ద కాన్సంట్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ రియాక్టెంట్. నౌ లెట్ us take one hypothetical equation. A moles of A plus B moles of B gives rise to C moles of C plus G moles of B. So So how to express the rate of reaction? Rate equal to what this one? Same. Here what are the reactions? A and B. So minus d by dt of concentration of A is equal minus d by dt of concentration of B is equal d by dt of concentration of C is equal d by dt of concentration of B. Now what about coefficient? Coefficients write in 1 by A. Coefficients how to express? 1 by A. So minus 1 by A d by dt of minus 1 by B. Here minus 1 by A. Now here 1 by C. Positive side. Products got positive. Now here 1 by B. Like this rate of reaction expression is false. Now write rate of reaction for this reaction. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. Write rate of reaction. Rate equal to minus d by dt of concentration of N2 is equal minus 1 by 3 d by dt of H2 1 by 2 d by dt of NH. This is rate expression. So what is rate of reaction? Decrease in the concentration of reaction or increase in the concentration of product per unit time is called rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. So what are the units for rate of reaction? Units. ఇక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుంది? ఫార్ములా ఏం చెప్పాం? చేంజ్ ఇన్